So I recently was having a car problem, and I decided to treat myself. Spent $1,000 on my car, and so I took it to these guys, and I've had good luck with them before, and they have done other jobs on this car. But if you're gonna do this job yourself, let me tell you, this is how much it costs if you don't do it. So there's all the details. Basically, the engine was running cold, and so I took it to car clinic, and I said, I want to hire you to change out the thermostat and fix the exhaust. So they did that. They changed out the thermostat. They found out the thermostat housing, which is all plastic, is also broken a little bit, so they fixed that. And they had to unhook a lot of stuff to get to this thermostat because it's buried in the front of the engine. So my total cost, $762 to change out the thermostat. No timing belt, no water pump. In addition, we got antifreeze, $77. Thermostat, $49.61. Housing, $86. Serpentine belt, $46. Freon, 0.20, $12 equals 60. I'm not sure how that works. Anyways, I don't ask questions. I just thank them for fixing my car. Shop supplies, grand total, almost $1,200. So I've seen jobs on the internet. People do this job themselves, and that's all good, and I'm sure I could do it, but I wouldn't be handling my air conditioning. That would be a huge mess. I don't have all the tools for that stuff, so I felt like I chose wisely. And from a guy who fixes just about everything, this is about the 4th time I've hired him, and I want to say they are about half the price of the dealer. They are trustworthy, reliable. They fix stuff. They do it pretty well. And the last thing, they're actually pretty cool. I could think of one little complaint, but I'm going to keep that to myself because it's really not worth talking about. And, you know, when you hire someone to work on your car, sometimes little things happen. It's just the nature of taking something that's that old, it's getting close to 20 years old, taking it apart and putting it back together. Little stuff sometimes happens. So there you go.